Today by Tech for Techies, we'll be looking at the SITOP Manager and how you install it.
To install the SITOP Manager, we'll have to begin by downloading the SITOP Manager. Now, the quickest way to get a copy of SITOP Manager is to go to the Siemens support website. So you can reach us there at support.industry.siemens.com. And there you were presented with the primary website. Now you can simply search SITOP Manager, and you should get one of the top links. If we scroll down here, SITOP Manager is the tool for commissioning and engineering and monitoring power supplies. So we're going to click on that entry, and we can see a brief overview of the product, which products are compatible with the SITOP Manager, beginning with the PSU 8600, our system power supply with Profinet connection. We have the UPS 1600 line, and of course the corresponding UPS batteries and for the PSU and for the UPS 1600. Now if we scroll down here, we can also see what we see here are the supported operating systems between Microsoft Windows 10, 7, Professional through Ultimate, and as well as Embedded Standard, which is good for our IPC, Siemens IPC builds. So going on to it as well, we can simply click on this device here and we can download it. Now I've already downloaded it, so I'll cancel this and simply open up our zip files. And what you are given here is our installation. Now we're just going to simply run our exe file. We're going to switch to one of the 5 languages. I'll select English for this presentation. Now I'm going to go through these pretty quickly. Obviously we have a user license agreement. I've already read it, so I can agree. This is the first important decision. SITOP Manager has 3 modular components. Each is completely independent of the other, meaning that you can install any one or all of these devices. I will go in depth in a different video what these individual components, but for now we recommend that you do install all 3. It maximizes the flexibility of the installation, and as they are modular, you can always add or take away components later. So we'll just hit next. We'll continue into a basic recommended install directory, and then we're going to install. Okay, once the installation is finished, it'll give you the option to start the SITOP Manager, the shutdown service client. We're going to enable the SITOP Manager and get started.
Siemens, ingenuity for life.